Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're doing great. The market is doing pretty great, at least at 1:30 Central Time here when I'm shooting this video. Up a little over 2%, which was enough to close the gap created from 2 days ago. It looks like there's just a little bit of a gap still left to be filled, barely though. Still decidedly under the 50-day moving average, but did not make it under that 200-day moving average. The slow stochastics, which I use to look for reversals, not really showing a strong sign either way per the way I like to use them. So I look at the VIX, I look at the fact that we are very, very focused on news and that we have a little bit of a vacuum here in the very, very short term. And look at some of the other technical setups here, like we did have a little bit of support that we bounced off here. And what I come to, especially looking at where implied volatility still is that we're probably still in for a bit of volatility. Now, I am not one to say that implied volatility is a measure of expected future volatility. I believe, in fact, I know that that is somewhat of an overstatement. There's absolutely some truth to it, but it's somewhat of an overstatement. But that said, we've got the VIX sitting above 24 at the time of this taping, and that's down quite a bit from yesterday. We were around 40. So we definitely still see that the market believes that there will be some more volatility. And hey, we can really see that just by looking at the historical volatility. When that thing is over 20 like it is now, and that is very, very accurate of a figure using the 21-day historical volatility, which is what you should be using if you're looking at the 30-day implied, we've got ourselves a trading environment. This trading environment is sort of an option trader's dream. We love opportunity for the stock to make moves that we can catch little trends or, put credit spreads in at extremes on either side by selling really high volatility. Option traders tend to love and thrive in this sort of environment. And so, hey, I'm pretty excited about the short term. Hope that helps. As Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.